Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a video that I'm very excited about. I'm gonna show you how I decorated my house for Christmas. I'm gonna start with the outside. Obviously today was a super snowy day and I thought it was gonna be perfect to shoot this video. As you can see, the outside, obviously the snow, it's real, so I couldn't make that happen in a more perfect way. And outside I put some of those candy cane that you see in the front and two reindeers, one in the front and one closer to the house. I'm gonna show you in a little bit how the house looks all lit up and at nighttime, which is very magical. This maple tree, Japanese maple tree that it was in front of the house when we bought it, I think it looks so cute. And here is a little tree I put some lights on, but you're gonna see them better later. Here you can see all my lavender covered in snow that I really love. And all around here, the front of the house, I put those like girland or wreath. And the wreath in front of my house, it's very cute as well, but let's get in where it's warmer. I got this white poinsettia here from my sister-in-law, and here you can see my Christmas tree all lit up. I have a few special decorations that I really like. I'm gonna show to you a few of them that I like the most. Obviously, if you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I love Snoopy, so here are a few that I collect them over the years. Most were gifted to me from people that know how much I love Snoopy. I really like these glass balls that have a little Christmas tree inside with all the snow. More Snoopy here, and this was an ornament that I made last year with Elizabeth handprint, and it obviously was her first Christmas, so it's very special as well. And this is the first ornament we got after we got married, and I really like these little wood houses. And another ornament from Elizabeth's first Christmas. This is my favorite corner of the house. I love this mirror where you can see the tree and the railing and these little pine cones with these rose gold balls. I think it looks so cute. This is my Ladure advent calendar that I love. I'm opening a new window every day. You can see it on Instagram. I really love it. Another reindeer, because obviously it looks like I really like reindeers. This little flower composition with these eucalyptus leaves. And here is the railing that I decorated with the stockings. This year my dad and my sister will come visit us, so there are two extra stockings you see at the end, but obviously my stocking has Snoopy on it. And the rest of the house is not fully decorated, but I'm definitely gonna show you anyway. You can see the snow falling hard outside. It was snowing so much, but it's very magical. Here is the living room, toy room. As you can see, there is a little mess around, and I put these little lights around Elizabeth's window. Elizabeth has a Snoopy advent calendar and Henry has the Reese's one. Some kids decorations that I put on the window. And you can see the Snoopy Halloween sticker that is still there. I don't want to take it off because Elizabeth really likes it. Here Elizabeth was sleeping, so I just wanted her to say hi. And here we are, all the lights are on. It's almost nighttime, it's still snowing, but you can see all the candy canes, the reindeers, the little tree with the lights, and the front of the house. It's very simple, but I think it's cute and not too much. And now I'm gonna show you my fireplace, so be ready because it's gonna be amazing. Ah, what a nice warm fire. Oops, it's just my TV. I don't have a fireplace. I was kidding. Here is after Elizabeth's nap. I put back the blanket and the little Christmas theme pillow, very simple, but I think it makes it look so much cozier. And on our bar cart we have this mini panettone and pandoro, which are typical Italian dessert for Christmas, and they look so cute, so I bought them and I put them there. Eventually I have to open them and eat them. Another thing that I always wish for Christmas are the towels that I keep in the kitchen. Those ones were chosen by Elizabeth because she loves dogs. And this is the end for this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. As you can see, there is already a Christmas present under the tree. I wonder who is that from. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!